and welcome back to Gapeys Grub. Today we're going to be opening up this package from Burn Hot Sauce. They contacted me on Instagram and asked me if I'd be interested in trying out some of their hot sauces, and of course I said yes. So let's open this up and see what they sent me. All right, we got some stickers here. I'm always looking for stickers to add to my seed boxes. So these say burn and are in the shape of a pepper. We got lots of different colors. All right, and then it looks like they sent me a t-shirt. So let's see how that looks. So it says burn hot sauce, wanna burn, and then on the back, or this is the front actually, the front has burn and their logo. So that is a nice looking shirt, and it looks like it's just the right size for me. All right, I'm looking forward to wearing that. Let's see what else we have in here. Looks like it's packaged pretty well and nothing broke. So it does say to refrigerate upon arrival. So I believe all of their hot sauces are not pasteurized, so they will possibly keep fermenting. So you will want to refrigerate these just to make sure you don't get any bottles exploding. And all of their sauces are certified organic, which is really awesome. And it's nice that they're not pasteurized. All right, so it looks like we've got 4 sauces, and let's see what's in here. So this is their Taqueria mix. So it's got raw fermented jalapenos, carrots, onions, and garlic. And it says it's 100% organic and is probiotic. So this probably also needs to be refrigerated, but it's got some nice big jalapenos in there, it looks like. And then let's see what sauces they sent. So this here is their Thai bird jalapeno, and I think this is their hottest sauce. Let's see, the ingredients: organic Thai bird peppers, organic jalapeno peppers, water, and sea salt. So it's very basic ingredients. They don't use any preservatives or sugar in any of their sauces. So that is pretty cool. It does say to shake well, so they don't add any kind of thickener to their sauce, so it may separate. So that's why they say to shake it. So that's good. Let's see what other ones did they send. We've got their Bulgarian Carrot. So that is got organic Bulgarian carrot peppers, water, and sea salt. And then this one has, it looks like one of those squeeze syringes in it. This one is organic cayenne peppers, water, and sea salt. And then the last one we have is their Serrano. And that is organic Serrano peppers, water, and sea salt. So I'm looking forward to trying these. And also on all of their sauces, it looks like they'd say what farm their peppers came from, which is pretty cool. So this one here came from JF Organic Farms. And then this one came from Rosita Ranch. So I think each one comes from a different farm. This one's from JF Organic Farms also. And then this one is from Surfside Farm. So that's pretty cool. So I'm gonna go ahead and try one of these. I'm not sure. It's a tough choice to see which one I should try, but I think I'm gonna go, we'll go with the cayenne, I guess. We're gonna give it a shake. And take this off. And their sauces are fairly thin. So I'm gonna put some on this spoon here. All right, so let's give this a taste. It's really good. Definitely not very spicy, but it has a really good flavor. I'm really looking forward to trying this on some eggs for breakfast, and looking forward to trying the rest of these too. But you can purchase these on their website. I'm not sure if they are in any stores or not, but you can definitely get these online. Oh, and also these are 4-ounce bottles. I think all of them are 4 ounces. Yep. And I'm pretty sure that's what they sell them in. And you can get them, if you just want to buy one bottle, it's $7.49. But if you want to get a sampler pack of 8 sauces, it's only $52.50, which comes out to about $6.50 each, which is a really good deal for some certified organic hot sauce. So thank you to Burn Hot Sauce for sending me this nice gift. So be sure to check them out on their website. I'll put a link in the description of this video. And thanks for watching, and we'll talk to you again soon. If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe. You can also find me on Instagram, Twitter, and Facebook.